Do you want to change the thumbnail on the Facebook Reel video? You can add custom design thumbnail on Facebook Reels with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to change thumbnail on Facebook Reels video. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To change the thumbnail on a Facebook Reels video, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are in Facebook, create a Reel video. You can record using the Facebook camera or upload a video from your device gallery. Now, edit the Reel as needed and post it on Facebook. After posting the Reel video, go to your Facebook profile to change the thumbnail. Now, find the Reel video for which you want to change the thumbnail. You can find all Reel videos under the Videos or Reels tab in your profile. Once found, choose the Reel video for which you want to change the thumbnail. Now, you will see various options on the right side of the video player screen. Find and tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the Reel video. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, tap on Edit Reel. Now, you will see the current video thumbnail. Tap on it. A new screen will appear. You can either choose a frame from the video or upload a custom thumbnail from your device. To pick a frame, drag the slider to select the desired frame. If you want to set a custom thumbnail, tap on Choose from Gallery or choose a different photo. Once you tap, you will see all the pictures from your device gallery. From here, choose an image or custom design thumbnail from your device gallery. Your selected thumbnail will look like this. Once you have selected the thumbnail, tap on Save to apply the changes. Again, tap on the Save button to update the Reel with the new thumbnail. By following these simple steps, you can change the thumbnail of your Facebook Reels video to make it more attractive and engaging for viewers.